高橋さん、準備の方はいかがでしょうか。バッチリですね。はい、それではスタート。
It's my third day at the event today. I'm running a little late. I'm here to get my nails done again. Today is a Sunday and I have like a super busy week next week, so I'm trying to get all my errands done on the weekend. Oh my god, you won't believe how hot it is. The heat is just unbelievable. So like I have an event for work tomorrow. I'm super busy at the moment. I also have a few things that I need to shoot for a PR collaboration with the brand. So that's gonna keep me busy throughout the week, and yeah, my nails are like super long. So I'm really excited to have them changed to a new design.
スは司会の合図がありましたらスタートしてください。
良さそう。おしゃれ。涼しい。よいしょ。I'm going to dinner with somebody that I recently met. She's a girl, by the way. We're going to dinner around Yurakucho at a bistro, so I'm really excited. So she she's running late, so I think I'm gonna spend some time at Starbucks until she comes. She's gonna be late for about 30 minutes. Yeah. Guess. To dinner in Ginza. I'm going to have tea with a friend and then going to get drinks in the evening. Lunch with a friend today in Ebisu, and I'm waiting for him at the station.